If you're wondering whether Meteorads AI is worth your time, or if it's just another overhyped tool, stick around. This brand new AI software could completely change the way you run ads online, but only if you understand how to use it properly. And yes, you can try Meteorads AI completely free from the first link below. Now here's the deal. Meteorads just launched, and it's already making waves in the AI marketing space because it simplifies something that most people either hate doing or never do well, running effective ad campaigns. So what exactly is Meteorads AI? It's an intelligent ad creation tool that automates the entire process of writing, testing, and optimizing your Facebook and Google ads. Instead of manually crafting copy or testing dozens of creatives, Meteorads uses trained AI models to generate ad variations and then actively test which ones convert better. It's basically what you'd expect if ChatGPT and a pro media buyer had a baby. The interface is clean, easy to use, even if you're not a tech person. You start by entering your product info or offer, and it spits out high-performing ad variations, headlines, primary text, and even suggestions for images or video scripts. You can then launch directly from the platform or copy the creatives into your ad manager. Now this is where it gets interesting. Meteorads doesn't just guess which ads work, it uses built-in predictive analytics and real-time data feedback to learn what works best for your audience. That's a massive advantage compared to static ad templates. Another underrated feature, it automatically writes multiple A/B test versions for you. No need to duplicate ad sets or tweak one word at a time. You get real split test worthy variations that are optimized for performance from the start. It's built specifically for marketers, coaches, e-commerce brands, and small business owners who don't have the time or budget to hire a full-time media buyer or agency. And if you're already running ads, Meteorads can slot right in and handle creative optimization better than most humans. Seriously. One of my favorite features is the built-in competitor ad library. You can see what others in your niche are running, then instantly create similar styles using AI without copying, just learning from winning patterns. That shortcut alone can save you hours of research. And yes, it's constantly updating with new AI features. From ad scripts for video to full campaign suggestions with CTAs, Meteorads is turning into an all-in-one ad machine. But keep in mind, while the tool is powerful, your results still depend on having a solid offer. AI can't fix a bad product, I'll be honest. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and Meteorads AI is one of the few that's immediately useful without a steep learning curve. If you're serious about getting better results from your ads in less time, definitely give it a shot using the free trial linked below. And if you want to know which AI tools I personally recommend after testing so many, check the description. Those tools are all free to try, and they actually work.